How often should I be charging my leisure battery through a 240 hookup?
Here at Platinum Wave Automotive, we use a lead-acid battery. The battery is used to function the majority of appliances and electrics inside the rear of your campervan, such as your fridge, your water pump and your lights. The location of those batteries will vary depending on the conversion that you have. If you have a 3-seater conversion, your battery will be located here under the rock and roll bed. If you have a 2-seater conversion, it'll be located in the rear of the van, in the cover section of the tambour door towards the bottom. To charge your leisure battery, this can be done in several different ways. One of those is by using a 240 volt hookup lead. To do this, all you need to do is then insert your 240 volt hookup lead into the rear of the van inside this compartment area here. At Platinum Wave, we recommend that you charge your vehicle at least 12 hours once a week. If that becomes a little bit too much, you can do it every 2 weeks for 24 hours. That doesn't mean that you can't charge your vehicle from time to time for a few hours or even before you go on a trip. That's absolutely fine. But to get the best use out of your van and the battery, we would recommend that you follow those steps. So why is it important to make sure that your leisure battery is charged? The main reason to charge your leisure battery and maintain it is that when you go away, you know that you have enough power and charge to run all of the appliances in your van. If it isn't charged, you could find yourself not being able to use some of the appliances in the van, such as the fridge or the lights.
So hopefully that clears up some of the questions you have regarding the maintenance and the upkeep of your leisure battery inside your camper van. If you have any questions or need any advice, please give me a contact at aftersales@platinumwaveautomotive.com. We're here to help.